Hello everyone. In the last video we have created a login form in HTML, but it has not yet finished. In this video we will continue working with login form in CSS. The first thing that we need to do is to open up the text editor, and we go to custom login.php file, and we find a password text here. All we need to do is to change it to password, and also change it to password. Let's save the file and check it out in the web browser. We load the page, and we go to password field. Let's type some text. Password, and it has in Thai. To see that, and we just need to list on this. Let me say. The next thing that we need to do is to use CSS to style for a login form. Let's do that by going back to a text editor, and we open a style.css file. We go to at the single product image CSS. We add a new CSS. Let's type login underscore box and correct it. And inside the correct it, we need to add with property and give this 100%, and for low left and back in, we need to add this to 15 pixel. And background property, we change it to white color. Let's save the file, and we should reload the page. You see, it has changed to white color for the background property, and back in with 15 pixel. The next thing that we need to do is to sign up for the email and password field here. Let's do that by going back to bottom at the login box section. All we need to do is to type login underscore box input type equals text, and go ahead and put login again, login box, and input type equals password, and a couple of curly brackets, and inside a couple of curly brackets we need to add with property. I make it to 60%, and backend give it 3 pixels for top and bottom, and 10 pixels for right and left, and final property. This is going to be margin with 5 pixels and out. Let's save the file and check it out in the web browser. Reload the page. You see, has changed to larger because I give this backend property. This is top 3 pixel and right and left 10 pixel here. And next thing that we need to do is to style for the login button here. We go back and add more signature. In here we add another signature. This will be login box and input type equals submit. And inside here we add a backend property and give this 10 pixel for the top and bottom and 15 pixel for right and left. Also background color RGBA. We open a new text and in the location bar left side CSS color picker. Just need to choose your favorite color, and in this case my favorite color is blue color. And all we need to do is to copy this RGBA color and copy that. We come back here and paste that. Let's save the file and we go to eCommerce website and reload the page. I forgot to put opacity value. In this case I give this O.9 value and let's save the file again and reload the page. You say let's change to blue color here. We come back and we need to add more property for our submit button. Border and this O pixel and solid. Also RGBA color. We just need to copy this and we change this to O.A value and color property semicolon and color property. This is which should be white color. And let's save the file and reload page once again. You see action and look nicer, you see. Okay, we'll stop right here. Thanks for watching and see you next video.